Today I'm gonna show you how to make square star color. Let's say we need star color size 12 by 8. So we're gonna mark this on a duct 2 inches from a side, for example. Plus 8 inches is gonna be 10. Then use your ruler or anything else to mark this. And now we're gonna mark 1 inch smaller. So if we have 12 by 8, we're gonna mark 10 by 6. So 1 inch on each side. And mark this with your Sharpie also. So this middle piece we're gonna cut this out, and these side pieces, 1 inch, we're gonna bend out. Make hole. And cut this out. Go on the inside line all the way around. Now make cut from this corner to outside corner on all 4 corners. Use your folding tool, deeper side. Make a 45 degrees bend for a drive clit. Then use smaller side of your folding tool to make 180 degrees bend. And use your seamers to make it tighter and bend this out by 90 degrees. Do the same on this side. $45, then 180, and simmers. And on these two sides we're gonna make 90 degrees bend with the deeper side. And the same on other side. And we have star color, 12 inches by 8. Now just install your S-clit and you can connect another duct to this.